Welcome everyone, and this is NCERT Class 8 Science Chapter 7 Conservation of Plants and Animals Part 3. So let's begin with it. So the topics to be covered in this video are endemic species, protected areas, and the red data book. So let's begin. So this is species data chart. So this is a pie chart which shows the species that are common species, which are 18,99,587. Then it's endangered species, that is 41,415. Then it is endemic species, which is about 19,000. Then there are extinct species from human settlement, that is about 1 lakh. 7.6 Endemic species. Endemic species are the species of plants and animals which are found exclusively in a particular area. They are not naturally found anywhere else. A particular type of animal or plant may be endemic to a zone, state, or a country. Some examples of endemic species are Indian giant squirrel, seal, wild mango, bison, and flying squirrel. Water species. Comment down. So here is the answer. Species is a group of population which are capable of interbreeding. This means that the members of a species can reproduce fertile offsprings only with the members of their own species and not with members of other species. Members of a species have common characteristics. Activity 7.6. Find out the endemic plants and animals of the region where you live. So the region is Surat, and here is a chart showing endemic flora and endemic fauna. Endemic flora: banyan, peepal, Indian gooseberry, and neem. Endemic fauna: green sea turtle, white-backed vultures, spotted green shank, and forest owlet. Seven point seven Wildlife sanctuary. Wildlife sanctuaries are like reserve forests which provide protection and suitable living conditions to wild animals. People living in wildlife sanctuaries are allowed to do certain activities such as grazing by their livestock, collecting medicinal plants, firewood, etc. Some of the threatened wild animals like black buck, white-eyed bug, elephant, golden cat, pink-headed duck, gharial, marsh crocodile, python, rhinoceros, etc. are protected and preserved in our wildlife sanctuaries. Indian sanctuaries have unique landscape, broad level forests, mountain forests, and bushlands in deltas of rivers. Now this is activity 7.7. Visit a nearby zoo. Observe the conditions provided to the animals. Were they suitable for the animals? Can animals live in artificial setting instead of their natural habitat? In your opinion, will the animals be comfortable in a zoo or in their natural habitat? Comment down. Animals cannot live comfortably in a zoo as they don't get their freedom as compared to their natural habitat. Animals need an open environment to live. They do not live in closed spaces except some. The conditions of a zoo are not suitable for the animals as the conditions the animal as the condition makes the animal unhappy and the animal's immunity reduces as the animal doesn't prey or fight battles or run for its life. This reduce in immune system makes the animal sick and may even take its life. 7.8 National Park. National Parks preserve the flora, fauna, landscape, and historic objects of an area. There are more than 100 national parks in our country. Project Tiger is established to protect and reduce the declining number of tigers in most of the national parks. Endangered animals. Tiger is one of the many species which are slowly disappearing from our forests. Animals whose numbers are diminishing to a level that they might face extinction are known as endangered animals. Survival of some animals have become difficult because of disturbances in their natural habitat. In order to protect plants and animals, strict rules are imposed in all national parks. Human activities such as grazing, hunting, capturing of animals, or collection of firewood, medicinal plants, etc., are not allowed. Ecosystem. At times, we kill snakes, frogs, lizards, bats, and owls ruthlessly without realizing their importance in the ecosystem. By killing them, we are harming ourselves. But how? They might be small in size, but their role in the ecosystem cannot be ignored. They form part of food chains and food webs. An ecosystem is made of all the plants, animals, and microorganisms in an area, along with the non living components such as climate, soil, river, deltas, etc. Red Data Book. What is it? Red Data Book is the source book which keeps the record of all the endangered animals and plants. Red Data Book is maintained by an organization that is IUCN. India also maintains a Red Data Book for the plants and animals found in India. So thank you everybody, and I hope that you enjoyed this video and all your topics are clear. So thank you.